Assalamualaikum and welcome. Introducing HAREESH RAVI, Mohamad FATHI, AISSAH, Hani, and NABILA, and we excited to share the behind the scenes process of creating the coffee manager promotional video. Our concept aim to promote the coffee manager's role, showcasing their leadership in cafe operation, team interaction, and customer engagement. We use warm, golden lighting to create a welcoming atmosphere, reflecting the cafe ambience and the workers' passion. The video highlights the coffee manager's competence and the team's dynamics, using dynamic shots of their teamwork and dedication to excellence, emphasizing the importance of the coffee manager in delivering a great cafe experience.
In the manager's coffee promotional video, we utilize the cafe's existing lighting from the overhead light and natural sunlight to create an authentic, inviting atmosphere. This serves as the key light. Other additional lighting equipment is from our portable fill light, where we position slightly opposite the natural lights or main cafe light source close to the subject. The cafe's ambient lights acted as the background or rim light, making it look cozy and natural vibe. So mostly, we use soft lighting to create the comfort mood. The warm indoor lighting and natural sunlight added depth and highlights, while precise white balance and post-production color corrections ensured consistency. To tackle challenges like varying exposures and fluctuating sunlight, we strategically position subjects and schedule shots during stable light conditions. By creatively using the cafe's natural setting and available light, we achieve a visually cohesive aesthetic that aligns perfectly with the video's theme.
The filming utilized a 30mm lens for wide shot to capture the cafe ambience and context, a 50mm lens for medium shots to focus on specific subjects and details with a natural depth of field, and an iPhone 14 Pro Max for versatile wide shots and dynamic angles, especially in situations where lens change were impractical. Depth of field was crucial in emphasizing subjects with shallow depth achieved using the 50mm lens to isolate subjects like coffee being served, creating a cinematic effect. The 30mm lens and iPhone provide a wide depth of field, ensuring clarity across the frame to showcase the cafe's ambience and customer interaction in wide shot. In our video, we use focus techniques like red focus to shift attention between subjects, adding dynamism, and static focus for steady shot to maintain clarity. Despite limited lenses, we maximize versatility with the 30mm lens and iPhone for wide shots and the 50mm lens for detailed shot. We address focus drift by stabilizing the camera and presetting focus point, while natural light reflection we manage with precise focus adjustment. These strategies allow us to create a cohesive, visual, engaging video with professional quality focus effect.
The production faced lighting challenge, including inconsistent natural sunlight due to the fluctuating cloud cover, leading to the uneven illumination and a limited lighting equipment, which made it difficult to effectively manage brightness and shadow. The realizer on the natural light made a continuity challenge due to the weather changes and the sun position, with moving cloud causing an unpredictable shift in the shadow and the highlight. The absence of external lighting equipment like a key light or the reflector limited control over the illumination, while the cafe ambience light, though useful, was not always ideal for every shot. To address lighting challenge, shots were planned to maximize a consistent sunlight, with a camera exposure adjusted during the obstructed sunlight to maintain a brightness. The shop ambient light was strategically used to reduce a dependence on a natural light, positioning subject close to light source for the better visibility. Anticipating shift in the lighting post-production color correction and exposure balance whether applied to the SQ, the conceive and visually applying a final video. By analyzing environment factor and understanding limitation, productive adjustment will make to the minimize disruption and maintain to the overall quality of the video.
To overcome challenges, we strategic use the cafe ambience, lighting and natural sunlight, ensuring consistent illumination despite fluctuating sunlight. Subjects were positioned near light sources to maximum available light, and exposure settings were regular adjusted to maintain brightness. The 30mm lens and iPhone 40 Pro Max were used for wide shot to capture the cafe ambience, while the 50mm lens was chosen for medium shot, offering better control over deep of field and focusing on key subjects. To enhance the visual narrative, we used the interplay of sunlight and ambient light to create a warm, inviting tone that match this coffee shop atmosphere. Were time shot to capture optimal natural light during golden hour, and creatively frame shot to incorporate lighting inconsistencies, white color grading to ensure a cohesive visual tone. This technique combined with creative framing and environmental leverage effectively covers the warmth and charm of the coffee shop while overcoming lighting challenging.
The combination of natural sunlight and ambient cafe lighting effectively created a warm, inviting atmosphere that emphasized the coffee shop's cozy environment. Natural light transitions added dynamic and authentic elements, while ambient lighting maintained consistent focus on key subjects despite sunlight fluctuations. The optics and focus techniques effectively enhanced the narrative by using the 50mm lens for medium shots to isolate key subjects with a pleasing depth of field, and the 30mm lens and iPhone 14 Pro Max for wide shots to establish context and add special depth. Despite limited lens option, we strategically used available tools, ensured visually coherent and purposeful shot. The lighting and focus techniques successfully conveyed the coffee shop authentic atmosphere, highlighting the coffee making process and brand identity. These methods created a visually engaging experience that enhanced viewer engagement and strengthened the storytelling. For the future projects, adding portable LED lights, reflectors, and expanding the landscape would provide more control over lighting and creative options, such as enhanced depth of field effects. Using light diffusers or filters too could help manage harsh lighting conditions. While the current techniques were effective, incorporating additional tools and methods will improve visual consistency and offer greater creative flexibility.
The reliance on natural sunlight and ambient shop lighting create an authentic, cozy atmosphere. They highlight the coffee shop's texture, such as wood and equipment, while emphasizing the craftsmanship of the coffee making process. Despite challenges with fluorescent sunlight, adjustment in camera angles and ambient light maintaining constant illumination, the dynamic light shift added realism and energy, reinforcing the narrative's focus on intimacy and the natural flow of a day in the cafe. The use of 30mm lens and iPhone 14 Pro Max for wide shot effectively showcased the coffee shop's environment, captured the space, coffee machines, and customers' interactions with a wide distortions, free perspective, and flexibility in the tight space. The 50mm lens was ideal for medium shots, isolating individuals and emphasizing the intricate details of the coffee making process and personal connections. Despite limiting lens option, the combinations of the 30mm, 50mm, and iPhone provide diverse, visual consistent shots reinforcing the narrative focus on simplicity, authenticity, and the cafe's craft and atmosphere. The final choices for lighting and lenses prioritize a natural, authentic aesthetic to reflect themes of craftsmanship, community, and simplicity. Natural light and carefully selected lenses balance capturing the environment with detailed characters moment, effectively supporting the storytelling. Despite equipment limitations, these decisions create a warm, intimate, and immersive visual experience that align with the project's visions and engage the viewer.